Mayor Sandy Bloom took the microphone to cheers and clapping.
This is going to be a place that I think we can all be very proud of.
She calls today's groundbreaking a celebration.
This is probably our most valuable space that we own, Tubbs Hill right beside it, the park by the lake. It deserved to be better than it was.
It marks the beginning of the McEwen Field construction. The parking lot south of City Hall will be expanded to 179 spots. By next November, there will be a playground, splash pad, waterfront promenade, and Grand Plaza.
To give you an idea of where you're going to see changes, it's going to be roughly from City Hall down to the boat launch. That covers about 15 acres of parkland and 5 acres of parking.
The city says the price tag sits at $14.2 million, funded through the Lake City Development Corporation, donations, and the park's capital fund. From the beginning, people have been against this project and are still so, even with shovels in the ground. Dan Gukin is one of the 3 city council members who's argued against the changes.
They're, working on a park when they could be working on jobs or infrastructure or other things that the city really needs right now.
A recall effort targeted 4 city council members, but failed to move on to a vote. But what's clear is that the entire community is not on board.
I've said a couple of times, if this is really worth doing, if the community's behind this, let's wait a year. Let's wait until the economy gets better. Let's do a bond. Let's get all the money we need to do everything you want to do.
Gukin says he's now standing vigilant over the process, checking budgets and plans. Because even though the shovels have been put away from this morning, the real construction is just about to start. In North Idaho, Anusha Roy, KXLY4 HD News.